What if a giant fireball suddenly exploded in the sky above your city? Today's newspaper explained a fascinating cosmic phenomenon called a bolide, an extremely bright meteor that explodes inside Earth's atmosphere with enormous energy. And some of these explosions can become so powerful that they release energy equal to hundreds of tons of TNT. The article stated that bolides are large meteoroids entering Earth's atmosphere at extremely high speeds. As they crash through the atmosphere, friction causes them to heat rapidly. Within seconds, the object can fragment, ignite into a massive fireball, and explode violently in the sky. Scientists say these explosions can create intense flashes of light, shock waves, sonic booms, and temporary atmospheric disturbances. In many cases, people hundreds of kilometers away can hear the blast. The newspaper highlighted that most bolides completely disintegrate before reaching Earth's surface. But sometimes, small fragments survive and fall to Earth as meteorites. The article also recalled one of the most famous modern examples, the 2013 Chelyabinsk meteor explosion in Russia. That event shocked the entire world. The explosion injured more than 1,000 people, mostly because the shockwave shattered glass across buildings and homes. Imagine that, a space rock exploding so powerfully that windows break across an entire city. Scientists now closely monitor these cosmic objects using satellite systems, radar networks, atmospheric sensors, and astronomical tracking systems. Because researchers are constantly studying near-Earth objects, also called NEOs, to improve planetary defense preparedness. And if you enjoy powerful science explainers and space mysteries like this, your one like, one share, and one subscribe genuinely motivates us to continue creating high-quality informative videos every single day. The newspaper also highlighted that NASA and international space agencies actively track potentially hazardous asteroids and meteoroids moving near Earth. Because while most bolides are harmless, larger objects could become serious threats in the future. The article further explained that bolide research helps scientists understand solar system formation, asteroid composition, and how objects interact with Earth's atmosphere. In other words, every exploding meteor becomes a scientific laboratory in the sky. And the biggest reminder from today's newspaper was this: Earth is not isolated in space. Every day, our planet moves through a cosmic shooting gallery filled with rocks, dust, and ancient fragments from the solar system itself. Stay informed, stay curious, and follow for more powerful science and current affairs explainers every day.